Hi, I am Revathi. I am working as an assistant professor in SNS College of Engineering in Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. Today we are going to discuss the topic about relational model. Relational model can represent as a table with columns and rows. Each row is known as tuple. Each table of the column has a name or attribute. Domain. It contains a set of atomic values that an attribute can take. What is meant by attribute? It contains the name of a column in a particular table. Each attribute must have a domain. Relational instance. In a relational database scheme, the relational instance is represented by a finite set of tuples. Relational instances do not have duplicate tuples. Relational key. In a relational key, each row has a one or more attributes. It can identify the row in the relation uniquely. For example, student relation. Student relation contain the name field, roll number field, phone number field, address field, age field. It contains 5 records. Properties of relations. The name of the relation is distinct from all other relations. Each relation cell contains exactly one atomic value. Each attribute contains a distinct name. Attribute domain has no significance. Tuple has no duplicate value. Order of tuple can have a different sequence. Integrity constraints. It is a mechanism used to prevent invalid data entry into the table. Different types of integrity constraints are available. Domain integrity constraints, entity integrity constraints, referential integrity constraints. Domain integrity constraints. What is meant by domain integrity constraint? Domain constraints define integrity constraints in DBMS as the valid set of values for an attribute in a database. Each attribute has a specific data type: string, character, integer, time, currency, date, etc. The domain constraints ensure that the value of an attribute falls within the defined data type. It is a column level constraints. It is divided into two, that is not null constraints and check constraint. Not null constraints. It is used to enforce the particular column will not accept null values. For example, employee 1 is a table name. Create table employee 1. Employee 1 is a table name. Employee number is a data type. Number is a data type and 5 is the size. Not null. Employee name varchar 2 of 20, not null. Salary number 8, 2, job varchar 2 of 15. In this table, employee number should not be null and employee name should not be null. Other column salary and job that may leave empty. Next table is employee 2 for EMP2. Create table EMP2. Employee number, that means E number, number of 5. Constraint EMP21 not null. E name varchar 2 of 20 not null. Salary number of 8, 2, job varchar2 of 15. Employee 21, that means EMP 21 is a constraint name. It is an optional one. Here employee number should not be null and employee name should not be null. Check constraint. It is used to specify the conditions that each row must satisfy. For example, create table EMP3, employee number, number of 5, e-name, varchar2 of 20, salary, number of 8, 2, commission, number of 5, 2, check commission less than 10,000. In the statement, we can see one check constraint columns that are commission less than 10,000. In case if commission value more than 10,000, it will not be added to the table. It will produce error message. Thank you.